Beating a brutal heat wave while working on the patio, camping off-grid, or sitting on the sidelines of a sports game usually feels like an uphill battle. Standard portable fans just push heavy, humid air directly into your face, leaving you sweaty and uncomfortable. The 30L portable misting fan in this rugged outdoor green finish completely changes that dynamic by engineering a massive, self-contained cooling oasis that you can wheel absolutely anywhere. It is an industrial-strength, cordless climate control system built for anyone who refuses to let scorching summer temperatures ruin their outdoor plans. The engineering centerpiece of this unit is the massive, built-in 30-liter, nearly 8-gallon, bottom water reservoir. Unlike basic misting fans that tether you to a garden hose or force you to constantly refill a tiny water bottle, this high-capacity tank holds enough water to provide continuous, cool mist for hours on end. It features an integrated heavy-duty water pump feeding precision misting nozzles that instantly flash evaporate water droplets into the air. This process drops the surrounding ambient temperature by up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit within seconds, wrapping your patio or campsite in a crisp, refreshing microclimate. Powering this portable beast is a gargantuan 30,000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery pack. This massive capacity delivers true cord-free independence, letting you run the high-velocity fan and misting system for up to 30 hours on a single charge. It features 4 customizable wind speeds to dial in your perfect airflow, alongside an integrated 3-speed LED light array. This means it pulling double duty at night as a high-powered camping lantern or emergency backup light source for your backyard hangouts. Despite its heavy-duty power and massive water capacity, moving this unit around is completely effortless. It is built onto a rugged, all-terrain rolling caster base with an ergonomic pull handle, allowing you to smoothly wheel 60-plus pounds of water across grass, gravel, concrete, or sand just like a piece of rolling luggage. The package also includes a fully functional wireless remote control, so you can adjust the fan speed, toggle the misting modes, or turn off the lights from the comfort of your lawn chair or inside your tent without constantly getting up. If you are ready to stop hiding indoors all summer long and finally reclaim your backyard barbecue, tailgates, and camping trips with a self-contained, rolling misting powerhouse, this cordless fan is the ultimate upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know where you'd roll this fan first, and I will see you in the next video.